Welcome, my dear students, Primary 5. I hope everyone is okay. It's Mr. Ahmed Mahrous, your English teacher for this session. Today we are going to have time for English, Unit 1, at the campsite conversation time. So let's get started. Are you ready? Okay. Look at this picture. What can you see here? May I help you? Okay. I can see some trees at the background. Look at the blue one and the red one. They are called tents. Tents. When I go outdoors and do some activities, set the tents, have fun. It's campsite. Yeah, it's a campsite. Look at this picture. There are some boys and girls. Look at the tents. Do you remember? They have fun, listen to music, read stories. So, could you tell me what's the meaning of campsite? I'll tell you. Campsite means a place where people can stay in tents and have fun. Now it's conversation time. In this conversation between Hoda and Mona, Hoda and Mona are at the campsite. Hoda is waking Mona up to be ready for breakfast. Now we are going to listen to an audio, so pay attention and listen carefully. But there are some difference in names. But don't worry.
Unit 1, page 1, at the campsite, conversation time. A. Listen and repeat. Number 1. Wake up, Annie. Number 2. What time is it, Penny? It's 7 o'clock. It's time for breakfast. Good. I'm hungry. Number 3. Smells good. What's for breakfast? We're having bacon and eggs. Number 4. Yum! My favorite.
Yum, my favorite. Okay, I think you need to listen once more again. Okay?
Unit 1, page 1, at the campsite, conversation time. A. Listen and repeat. Number 1. Wake up, Annie. Number 2. What time is it, Penny? It's 7 o'clock. It's time for breakfast. Good. I'm hungry. Number 3. Smells good. What's for breakfast? We're having bacon and eggs. Number 4. Yum! My favorite.
Okay. Let me ask you a question. Does Mona like beans and eggs? Yeah, she likes beans and eggs because she said yummy or yum, my favorite. It's time for K vocabulary or new vocabularies. First word is time for. I'm about to do homework. I'm about to have dinner. That means it's time for homework. It's time for dinner. It's time for breakfast. Next two. beside something or near to something. Come and sit next to me. Come and sit next to me. Look at this picture. Does this girl like the food? Yes, she does, or she likes the food. Does the food has a good smell? Yeah, it smells good. It smells good. Look at this picture. There are two girls. One of them is angry and the other is happy. The happy girl is asking the angry girl, what's the problem with you? What happened? Or what's wrong? What's wrong? Beans and eggs. When I like something most, when I like something best, it's my favorite. It's my favorite. English is my favorite subject. What's your favorite food? Beans is my favorite food. Eggs is my favorite food. Yum, yummy. It's delicious. I like it. Taste is very good. Sunscreen. It's a liquid we put on our skin to protect us from bad effects of sun. I put sunscreen on my skin. I put sunscreen on my skin. Here we have some opposites. Repeat after me. Wake up. Sleep. Good. Bad. Here. There. Hungry. I want to eat. I'm hungry. I don't want to eat. I'm full. How to ask and tell the time. There are two ways to ask and tell the times. What the time or what time is it? What's the time or what time is it? Look at the picture below. It's 7 o'clock. Excellent. It's 7 o'clock. Or it's 7:30. It's 7:30. Now we need to do some practice. Exercise number 1. Listen and complete. Here you should complete the missing parts in the following dialogue. Do you remember? Excellent. Wake up, Omar. Wake up, Omar. What time is it, Noor? It's in the morning. Excellent. It's 7 o'clock a.m. It's time for 7 o'clock. It's time for dinner? No. It's time for breakfast. Good, I want to eat. Good, I'm hungry. Good, I'm hungry. Smells good. Smells good. What's for breakfast? We are having beans and eggs. Excellent. We are having beans and eggs. Choose the correct answer from A, B, C, or D. Do you remember? It's next to your camera. It's next to your camera. Number 2. What's from, over, under, for? Excellent. Perfect. What's for breakfast? What's for breakfast? Number 3. Get up or no, it's wake up. Wake up. Wake up at 7 o'clock. Number 4. We are or were space beans and eggs. Has, had, having, have. Were having beans and eggs. Number 5. What's the problem with you? What's wrong? Excellent. What's wrong? We is, we are, we do, we am cooking beans and eggs. We're cooking beans